Okay, I'll show you the way I do these shop fronts. Just using a pole and a squeegee scrubber like I'm doing now. I find doing it this way, even though it may seem a little bit slower, it's more efficient doing it this way than doing it by even the two-handed method, which can be very quick, but it's a bit taxing on the arms and the shoulders after a while, and I find I can do this at this pace all day, every day, without sort of having those shoulder pains that you get when you're squeegeeing with a scrubber squeegee, doing the two-handed method, or even some people which use wagtails, scrubber wagtails in one hand. It really becomes real taxing on your body in the end. But I find doing this most of the time, which I do now, because I find it so much easier. But anyway, I'll just keep on going and till I finish this, and I'll leave it with you. So I suppose that's about it.